Days.
I'm sorry for the delay. We're gonna proceed soon. I'm waiting for the instructor from the iBot. Thank you.
Basically, what's happening right now, you man? The bus has a exhaust muffler silencer problem, and the driver thinks it's a bad problem. But I'm sure the bus will be alright if he keeps going, man, because it's been alright since yesterday. But the thing is, yeah, this guy's reporting it. This guy's reporting it, so they're probably gonna fix it soon, man.
Attention please. Due to the mechanical problem, this bus is out of service.
Oh my days! I'm gonna flip and fix it, man. I shouldn't have told this guy. I shouldn't have told this guy. I told this guy there's an exhaust leak, and now he's gonna take it out of service, and they're gonna flip and fix it at the garage, man. Oh fuck! I shouldn't have told this guy.